What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Loom network, which has been pumping up in value in the last 24 hours like crazy. 180% up in a single day, guys. What is going on with this crypto? So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you invest into it, or should you sell it if you are on a profit, or should you just hold on to it? Looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Obviously, we're going to have both, people who are bullish on it and bearish on it as well. People are going to be saying positive and negative things around it, but at the end of the day is what you think about it after doing your research, so on and so on. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Before I go any further, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 1% in the last 24 hours. However, Loom network has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, and not just by a little bit, but yeah, it is up very good. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can see in the last hour itself, it managed to gain 16% up in a value in 60 minutes, guys. That is absolutely crazy. So it's still ongoing, it's still pumping up in value. It all started yesterday afternoon, where it pumped up from about 5 cents all the way up to 10 cents, doubling its value in a space of about 2 hours, fluctuating. And yeah, right now it keeps pumping up in value. Over the week it is up 188%, and over the month a massive 137% up. So yeah, it's been doing very well. But is it going to drop back down, or is it going to carry on this way? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 5,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $782 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loom network. And as you can see, we've got a massive 74% buy against 26% sell. So we still got a decent amount of people selling their Loom network, taking out their profits and potentially reinvesting their profits when it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Loom network at just under 6 cents. However, it is trading at more than double its value at 12 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, guys, we do have the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep, so minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. However, guys, I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here on Loom network, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather. So I am expecting more red candlesticks along the next couple of hours, as well as green candlesticks. So it's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today seems to slightly be more on the positive side. So again, it's not like it's going to go through a major increase or a major pump after this huge increase. So it's going to be a minimal increase in value, potentially hitting about 13 to 14 cents is what I'm expecting. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, we are looking very steep, guys, which is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a positive direction is because of the major increase that's just taken place. But that is not what I am expecting. I am expecting the crypto to drop back down over the next couple of days. So towards the end of next week, we should be trading below the 8 cents target, is what my predictions are as of right now. However, if there are any major updates or major news that come across on Loom network that can have a potential positive impact on it, then yes, we may see it pumping up in value, but nothing like that as of yet. So I am expecting it to drop back down below the 8 cents target towards the end of this week. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again looking very steep, guys, going in a positive direction. Once again, it is not realistic, because if I went by what the graph is showing us, is going to consistently be picking up in value over the next couple of weeks, which is not realistic and which is not true as well. So yeah, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So by mid to late October, we should be trading around the 6 to 7 cents target is what my predictions are as of right now. But again, it all depends on if there are major crashes in the crypto market or major bull runs. These things are not expected, but anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we have literally jumped from all the way down from the red zone to the dark green zone, and right now drop back down into the green zone, and I'm expecting us to drop back down into the red zone later on today. And again, that's why we've been trading since about, let's have a look, late April 2022 is when we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've been getting worse and worse and worse. And today obviously we had a major pump which got into the green and the dark green zone. But yeah, I'm not expecting us to last here for very long. I'm expecting us to drop back down into the red zone over the next couple of hours or next few days as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loom network, guys. I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments, so what I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Yes, I've seen people saying it's going to hit the dollar mark, guys. For Loom network to hit the dollar mark, is going to have to go through about a 600 to 700 800% increase approximately for it to hit the dollar mark, which I am not expecting from Loom network anytime soon. So maybe towards the end of the year that may be possible, depending on what the project does. But again, it's very, very hard for it to hit the dollar mark this year. Maybe early next year it may be able to, but again, as I previously mentioned, it all depends on any major updates and major news that come across. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Loom network. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.